Ndị ka anyị ekele m unu o, Igbo kwenu hey, kwezonu o hey. Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Queen. You're watching Queen Varieties channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ugba sauce and yam. G na Ugba sauce. This we are going to prepare in just 15 to 20 good minutes. On my work surface, I have placed all the ingredients required for this recipe. Are you ready? Let's get right into it. First of all, I'll place 2 tubers of yam into the sink, run fresh water on it. I'll use a neat sponge and scrub it very well. This step and process is extremely important because we are going to cook the yam with the skin, so you want it to be as neat as possible. Once completed, we are going over to the next step. Next step, I'll place 5 fresh tomatoes to my sieve, 3 Scotch bonnet peppers. This is going to be a very spicy one. And then I'll add 4 onions. I'm going to peel the skin of the onions, then wash and rinse everything super neat and clean, then remove it until required. Back to the yam, I will dice into chunks. First of all, I'll remove the tip. Cut the yams into eatable sizes. You don't want it to be too thick or too small. You can see the sizes I have cut them. I've gone ahead to place water into my pot, and here I'm going to transfer all the yams into it. Make sure the water is above the yam. It is very important. Add salt to taste. Once added, cover the pot, boil for exactly 10 to 15 minutes. It doesn't take long to boil your yam, so please keep a watchful eye on it. Onions I showed earlier on, I'll use my knife and then slice it to my desired sizes and then set it aside once completed. Prepare the fresh tomatoes. I'll dice it into my sieve here and use my hands and squeeze out as much water as possible because this is going to help reduce the cooking time. You don't want to spend too much time today in the kitchen. To my food processor, I'll add the peppers, garlic, and fresh parsley. You can substitute the fresh parsley with fresh scent leaf. Now crush it down until it is coarsely blended. While the yams are cooking, I will be preparing the sauce at the same time. Everything will be ready immediately, okay? Yes, so to my pot, I've added palm oil to it. Next, I introduce the onions and the blended ingredients. You're going to cook for 3 minutes. I've come back to the yam to check if it is ready. I'll use my knife and chook it, and I notice it is ready. I'm going to pour the water out and then set it aside. Back to the sauce, I'll add seasoning cubes and also locust beans. Next, introduce crayfish or dry fish powder. We are going to toast for 1 minute. Some fresh mackerel fish. I have deboned it. Introduce some herrings, fillets, and sardines. The ingredients you use in this section is just up to you. You can go for dried smoked fish of your choice, but these are items I have available in my kitchen. I'm making use of these items, okay? After adding the tomatoes, bring in the Ugba, the Oilbean we call it in English. Salt to taste. Combine everything very well, and then we are going to cover the pot and cook for exactly 5 to 8 minutes. 5 to 8 minutes later, guys, just look into this pot and tell me your appetite is not doing hum. It smells awesome in this place. Oh, you can see the oil on the top. That's an indication that it is ready. Guys, my kitchen was oozing, smelling. My kids were like, "Mommy, what are you cooking?" Everybody was saying, "Mommy, be fast." We want to eat. I'm going to top it up with 3 vegetables, fresh basil, fresh parsley, and also dry scent leaves. Use any one available to you, but guys, if you have these 3 items, don't skip to use the 3 vegetables. It boosted and made this sauce extremely delicious. Now look at that. Guys, 3 minutes later, we are going to serve our sauce with the boiled yam. The taste and depth of flavor in this sauce is unspeakably delicious. It is simple to put together. Everything took place in just 15 minutes. So within 15 to 20 minutes, everything is ready. Here we are going to draw the curtain for today's recipe. I hope you have enjoyed it. This is how you can make a simple, delicious, sumptuous meal for the family in just 15 to 20 minutes on a lazy day, and everybody will have a delicious experience on the dining table or on the floor. Remember, variety is the spice of life. I am signing out now. See you in my next one. Bye for now.